AFJK ran up a huge gain yesterday, the ninth of December. LGHL equally ran up some decent amount of gain, but not as much as AFJK and then JXG. So yes, AFJK down 44.6%. This is Wednesday the 10th pre-market session. Yesterday, you can see here 1,006.25%. That was the gain it ran up. Intraday high $110. It is a low float stock, yes, I think. But sometimes some of these low floats, what you might see may not be the figure you might see publicly. The public figure may not be that much of a low float, but the reality is that sometimes when insiders are not selling, when insiders are not selling, they are not trading. It affects the effective float as well. It also affects the effective float. Sometimes what is a low float may not be obvious. So yeah, we are looking at a pullback for AFJK. This is its 4-hour chart. But if anything, I would say expect lower prices to print. It has a down projection here of 16.03. Yeah, expect such lower prices to print, but it could defy all of these things and continue to to test new highs. Let's just quickly glance at its daily chart to just get an impression of how things have changed given this 1,000% gain. Yeah, it has changed everything. This was a pivotal projection and it blew through that and has maintained it. So let's just all we have to do is just quickly use the market grid on this 4-hour chart. It might give us a range of prices, including a range of prices to the upside and to the downside. Let's just quickly have a look and see. Let's see what we have. Use the market grid. Okay, so let's get down and see what the range is. Okay, between 100 and a negative 55.66. So yeah, I can see obviously stocks don't trade in negatives. This tells you that yes, there's a good chance you may still pull back. Don't try to get involved. But at the same time, they could come and also decide to pump it up from where it is right now. So yeah, expect it is something that can happen. Yeah, but we'll see how it goes. Okay. Okay, so aggression is what is behind this. What is behind this pullback? You can see only 6,082 shares have crossed the tape. Yeah. Okay, LGHL down 36.77%. Okay, intraday high yesterday $8.92. LGHL. Okay, yeah, let's see what we have. We'll begin with its market grid. Market grid is saying between 7.65 and 2.21. That's the range it has the potential to trade within. So a pullback is still, yeah, lower lows is still very much something that can happen as well. Yeah, let's move the market grid and see what extrapolation is saying. That yeah, it's saying that it may we have a consolidation, a distributive contraction is what is expected at least up till Friday the 12th, and then after that it might resume the uptrend. Projections are currently saying 7.49, 8.98, 9.90. Let's see what the momentum is going to indicate. Momentum is indicating volatility as well. Yeah, but yeah, is indicating that we might see some volatility. Yeah, but a plunge, a drop in momentum is expected from tomorrow the 11th. all of these are just extrapolations. No guarantee that they will turn out like this, but it might bounce again from Friday as well. Yeah. JXG down 31.5 percent. Okay, very tiny volume have crossed the tape so far. JXG. Yeah. Okay. Well, the algo seems to be suggesting that this contraction we has now might remain in place up till an hour and a half before the market opens today. Then after that, it might resume the uptrend. Okay. Yeah. Let's see now. The 40 period moving average is equally rising to catch any pullback that might happen. Projections are currently saying 7.23, 9.65. Let's see now. 11, yeah, let's see, 11.9 and then 13.08. Okay, let's see what the market grid is going to give us. The market grid for GXG is saying between 8.31 and 2.71. Yeah. So yeah, expect 2.71. Just an indication that it is a price that it can print as well. So have a look and see what you make of these stocks. Just be really careful. Caution is warranted, even though they have dipped, but most of them are still falling knives. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.